When you need to rehearse your presentation, PowerPoint lets you record the time it takes to present each slide and then use the recorded times to automatically advance slides as you present to an audience. To start, select Slideshow, Rehearse Timings. The Recording toolbar appears and immediately starts timing your presentation. As you rehearse, use Next to go to the next slide. Pause temporarily stops recording the time. Select Resume Recording to continue. If you need to restart recording the time for the current slide, select Repeat, and then select Resume Recording to start again on that slide. After you reach the last slide, select Yes or No if you want to keep or discard the recorded slide timings. If you want to see the time for each slide, use Slide Sorter View. And if you do not want your slides to advance automatically based on the recorded timings, select Slideshow and then clear the Use Timings checkbox.